Welcome to our online class. Hello dear student, how are you? Hope that you are fine, staying safe and sound at home. I am also fine. Every morning I miss your greeting. Good morning, ma'am. I also miss your innocent face. This pandemic situation has created a distance between you and me. At last we got an opportunity to help you, to assist you, or to give you proper guidelines through these virtual classes. I think all of you have utilized this opportunity properly. Let's start our class. This is from Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher in English, Chattogram Government High School, Chattogram, and this class is for class 5. Let's enjoy the video and try to say the title of the story that we are going to read today.
In the summer the ants were a-working, bringing food to their hill every day, while the grasshopper sang in the sunshine. On his fiddle his song he did play. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I will sing all the while neath the sunshine, neath the moon I will dance, I will play. In the autumn the ants were still working, but the grasshopper still did not care. The ants asked, why don't you store food for winter? When it's cold you'll have no food to spare. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-da-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. Above us all there will always be sunshine, and there always will be time to play. Time went by and along came the winter, and the wind gave a cold icy chill. Snow fell down and there was no more sunshine, so the grasshopper went up the hill. Fi-dee-di-dee-da-doo-dee-dee-da-do, Fi-dee-do-dee-da-dee-dee-da-day. I am cold, I am wet, I am hungry, and I'm sorry I played the days away. In the valley he went to the anthill. He was cold and embarrassed and sad.
Yes, you are right. The title of this story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Dear student, I think you become confused because in your English for today there is no story named The Ant and the Grasshopper. Today we are going to practice this story as an unseen passage. The story or the passage that is not directly taken from your English for today is unseen for you. These types of story or these types of passage is taken from newspaper, journals, magazines, internet or any other sources. There are some new words in this lesson. These are pale, starve, deprive, realize, blunder, commit, enough, and our last word is position. I think some of these words are familiar to you and some are unfamiliar to you. But now I am going to teach you to know the meaning of these new words, and I also help you by applying the words in sentences. Dear student, I advise you to take out your exercise book and write down the meaning of these new words. Meaning with sentences. The first unknown word is pale. Pale means discolored, colorless, grey, dull, etc. And the sentence that is made by me is his skin becomes pale for overwork. And the second unknown word is starve. Starve means suffer severely from hunger or famish. Famish is a new word for you. Famish means starve. Due to flood, many people of our country are starving. And another new word is deprive. Deprive means take something away from or prevent somebody from enjoying something. The sentence that is made by me is sometimes we are deprived by our friends or by our seniors. Realize. Realize means to understand something or to become fully aware of something. And the sentence is we have to realize the situation. Blunder. Blunder is a totally unknown word for you. That means careless mistake, stupid mistake, error or fault. He has no realization of his blunder. Commit. Commit means to do something illegal or wrong or to perform something that is not correct. And the sentence is he committed suicide. This types of activity is totally prohibited. Enough. Another new word that means a lot of, plenty, adequate or sufficient. We have enough food for us. And our last unknown word is a very familiar word. I think most of the student has known this word, has known the meaning of these words. And the meaning of this word is condition, situation or state. And the sentence that is made by me is we are not in good position due to COVID-19. This is a familiar scenario for all of us. And dear student, I ask you to maintain a notebook or to maintain a diary to write down the unknown words and to try to learn the meaning of these unknown words. You can also apply these words in your regular life, in your practical life. By this way, you can enrich your vocabulary and you can enrich your language. Read the passage silently and try to answer the following questions. After reading the passage, you have to answer 4 types of questions. These are gap filling, true false, question answer and writing a letter. The story, The Ant and the Grasshopper, is a short story written by Aesop, a Greek slave. The language of this story is not very difficult to understand. Moreover, we have already learnt the meaning of unfamiliar words that are used in this story. And these words are shown here in blue color. And these words are pale, starving, deprive, starvation, realization and blunder. As you don't have any written copy of this story, I advise you to take a snap of this page and the previous page for your further study. And for your better understanding of this story, I am trying to give a synopsis. Please follow me. In hot summer day, the grasshopper was flying here and there. He passed the bright sunny day in singing and relaxing. But the industrious ant passed the bright sunny day in collecting and storing food grains for her day or for winter. Her day means the day of suffering. When winter came, in Grasshopper's house there was no food to eat. He and his family members passed their time in starvation. At that moment he went to his friend and requested him to save their lives by giving some food grains. But he was refused by his friend, or he was deprived by his friend. Moreover, his friend mocked at him by advising to dance in winter since he sang in summer. Dear student, can you say why the ant was so cruel to his friend? The ant was so cruel to his friend as he wanted to teach him a lesson so that in next summer he would utilize his time properly. Gap filling activity. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the box. There are some extra words which you need not use. In the box, there are some words such as realization, with, without, deprived, plenty, understand, music, and accepted. You have to use 5 words in the gap. The first sentence is: in summer, the grasshopper was busy in dash. We know that in summer, the grasshopper did not do anything. He was engaged in singing and relaxing. But singing and relaxing are not here. Instead of singing, there is a word that is music. So we can easily apply music here. And the second sentence is: Grasshopper's family members had been passing their time dash any food, with any food or without any food. Obviously without any food, because Grasshopper did not collect anything for his family in winter, as in winter his family had nothing to eat. And the third sentence is: Mr. Ant had dash of food grains for themselves in winter. In summer, Mr. Ant had collected a lot of food grains for themselves in winter. So, in winter, he had enough food for themselves. But enough, the word enough is not used here. Instead of enough, we can use plenty in this gap. And the fourth sentence is: Grasshopper's request wasn't dash by his friend. We know that Grasshopper was deprived by his friend, and deprived is in the box, but we can't use this word in the box, because if we use this word in the box at this time, the sentence is not correct. So we have to look for another words. If we use accepted here, the sentence will be correct. And the fifth sentence is: at last the poor grasshopper had the dash of his mistake. There we have to use here a noun, and we can't use understand here, because understand is a verb, so we can use realization here. At last, the grasshopper had the realization of his mistake. Dear student, in this way you can apply the words in the gap. Be careful to apply the words, because the remaining words are very close to the applicable words. Our next step is true-false activity. Write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. Our first statement is: the ant stored food grains for winter. Obviously this is true, because we know that in summer the grasshopper has collected lot of food grains so that he can use it in winter. And our second statement is, in summer, Mr. Ant was taking care of restored food grains. In summer, Mr. Ant was collecting food grains, but in winter, Mr. Ant was taking care of restored food grains. So, this statement is false. And the third statement is, during summer, the grasshopper utilized his time properly. This is absolutely wrong, and the statement is false, because if he utilized his time properly, he did not suffer in winter. And the fourth statement is, the ant was responsible for his friend's suffering. Is it the ant was responsible for his friend's suffering, or is it the grasshopper himself was responsible for his suffering? Obviously, the grasshopper was responsible for his suffering. So, this statement is false. And the fifth statement is, by refusing his friend, the ant wanted to teach him a lesson. We know that the grasshopper was refused by his friend, and by his cruel act, he wanted to teach him a lesson, so that in next summer he would utilize his time properly. So this statement is true. And the sixth statement, or the last statement, is, at last Mr. Ant realized his mistake. Mr. Ant did not do any mistake, so there is no question of realization. At last the grasshopper realized his mistake, so this statement is false. And our last activity, question answer. Answer the following questions. And the first question is, who knocked the door? Dear student, go back to the story and read the third line, where the line says, at that moment he heard a knock at his door. He opened the door and found his friend grasshopper waiting. So the grasshopper was waiting at the door, and the answer will be, the grasshopper knocked the door. And the second question is, how did the grasshopper look? The grasshopper looked very pale and sick. Why did the grasshopper come to the ant? Go back to the story and read the sentences that is shown. Read the sentences that is shown in blue color. So, the grasshopper requested to the ant to save their lives from starvation, and the answer will be, the grasshopper came to the ant to request him to save their lives from starvation by giving them some food grains. And the fourth question is, what did the grasshopper do in summer? Read the story again and read the sentences that is given in blue color. The ant asked him, what did you do during summer? Did you save anything? The grasshopper replied, I spent the whole summer in singing and relaxing. So, the answer will be, in summer the grasshopper did nothing, but he spent the whole summer in singing and relaxing. At the end of the story, what did the ant advise the grasshopper? We can read the story again and read the last sentence of the story. Where the sentence says, moreover, he advised the grasshopper to dance in winter since he sang in summer. And this is the answer of this question. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is work hard today and you can get the benefit tomorrow. Dear student, we should apply the moral of this story in our life. If we want to get success in our life, we have to work hard today. Otherwise, tomorrow we have to suffer for wasting our time. Because time is always moving on, time is always flying on. It doesn't wait for anybody. So, don't leave your work for tomorrow that you can do today. Dear student, I have a homework for you, and that is write a letter to your younger brother advising him to utilize his time properly. You have already learned that in a letter there are 5 persons, and these are heading, greeting, body of the letter, ending and signature. When you write down a letter, you have to maintain these rules properly, and I think you will do your work properly. I will check it when you will come back to our regular classes. That's all for today. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.